guys, so in the last vlog I just basically cleared out the wardrobe of mine and I basically want to change it a bit. So I sold the old items on Vinted. Some of those are even new, but it doesn't really fit me. And basically I was just looking at Shein and ordered some things. There should be 2 packages actually, and one of them arrived today. So I'm definitely going to show you those pieces which I already have, and I'm gonna show you the other one when it comes. But basically this is the package that shouldn't really arrive first, but doesn't really matter. So this is the first item which I bought, and it's actually a sweater dresses which I wear a lot. I'm gonna show you it on me as well, and it's size S. Gonna style with a little belt. Then another one. It's actually a summer dress. Okay, don't really know how to. Yeah. So you can actually tie it on your shoulders, and it's flowery, really cute one. Then this little dress, actually I'm really looking forward for summer, so I basically have many summer things and also some more sweater dresses which I love so much. So just simple little dress. And the last one, is actually this one with a little like t-shirt thing. I hope this won't be too much for me because obviously I don't really have anything to put in there, but hopefully it will be looking nice. So I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna show you in a little videos as well. So I actually think this looks really nice, even though the neckline is a bit too much for me, but it still looks really nice and it's flattering. It's actually size S. This one looks really nice as well, and the stripes are adjustable as well, which is amazing. That's actually how it looks. So I love this one as well. It's completely adjustable, as you basically just do this a little bow by yourself, and it's a bit see-through, but I'm actually wearing black underneath under it, so that's it why. But I love it so much. So this one really looks nice as well, even though it's a bit see-through as well. But again, I'm wearing black underneath, so that's why I'm gonna basically just pair it with a little belt, probably a black or brown one, and black tights and some heels. Okay, Lila is playing with the bags, so I need to clear it out. So this is my breakfast. It's actually a muesli with exotic fruit and white yogurt. So yummy and super easy to make, obviously. So this is my breakfast today, and these ones are actually with strawberries and almonds. And previously I had ones with exotic fruit, which is my favorite. So I'm gonna try this one as well. Seems nicely, and they are actually real strawberries. Gonna show you. So this is how it looks like. Real strawberries, which are probably Leophilis, and I'm gonna add some yogurt as well. So workout done, and I'm just about to pick up this stroller and park it behind the door because it's then much easier to take everything, put Vanessa there, obviously with all the layers we need in the winter, plus a blanket, and it's just much harder to get outside with a toddler if it's winter and cold outside. So hopefully spring will be here pretty much soon. But we are actually about to send 3 packages. We are going to 2 different places, which will be around like 2 to 3 kilometers walk. So gonna definitely show you a few clips from our walk as well. It should be quite nice outside. It's not icy anymore, it's not raining anymore, so hopefully it won't be raining when we'll be outside, but it shouldn't be. So I'm gonna just pick up this stroller, and then I'm going to dress up Vanessa. She's going to have a lunch, and we'll just get to go. So here's my little princess. Yeah, that's you. And here's the other princess. Really. So someone is just about to have a lunch, and then we are about to go outside. She's actually interested in the hairbrush of hers, which is a baby hairbrush. It's actually from a drugstore, from the drugstore, and it's baby love. It's with this little bird. Is it nice? Do you like it? Yeah! Wanna go sleep? Okay. So Vanessa is napping. As you saw in the previous clip, she was very tired. She was actually sleeping for about an hour in the stroller, but she was still tired, so she's currently watching Tangled and napping, and I'm just about to prepare a dinner. Today it's going to be a veggie one. It's actually gonna be different kinds of veggies. So I have potatoes there, tomatoes, some green beans, some pepper, and gonna just prepare it. So it's gonna be really healthy and super yummy. I love it. And I'm actually wearing my PJs, which is this Disney one. There's toys everywhere, but Vanessa will probably play with those today. So basically just clean it every evening. It doesn't really make sense to clean it every single time she wants to nap or we are going somewhere. So we do it just like this.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours.
So Vanessa is playing out there and I'm just having my cup of coffee and gonna actually bring more coffee because we are out of our coffee, which we basically keep right here. So need to grind it and so gonna just relax and wait for Vojta to come back home from work. So this is the grinder we have. It's from Bosch and it's actually a small one. And the coffee we have at the moment is this Lavazza Rossa, which is actually an Italian coffee and it's one of our favorites. So gonna just grind it. So a workout done, and this is actually a snack for Vanessa when she wakes up. It's a bread with a butter and chicken ham, which she loves so much, so she's gonna enjoy it. Good morning, guys. It's actually Sunday and Vanessa is currently napping. She's just watching Pocahontas. Wita is currently cleaning the cars. I'm about to clean the flat, and later we are about to go for a walk. So I'm really excited about it because it's been finally quite nice outside. It's not windy as well, which was really windy for the past days, and it's actually a laundry day for me as well. So yeah, gonna have actually a spinach for lunch today because I've been craving for that with a gnocchi. Vanessa isn't really a huge fan of spinach, so she's going to have leftovers from yesterday, and yeah, gonna just clean it up. the laundry is nearly done as well. Gonna change it, fold the laundry from the drying machine and put there the one from the washing machine, and about to prepare a spinach with gnocchi. Vanessa is still watching probably not Pocahontas anymore. There's probably a Cinderella, I think, afterwards. So she's watching that and she basically just wants to relax. So it's good because I have time to basically just prepare a meal for us.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Hello guys, so more of these Shein packages just had arrived and I'm going to show you what I ordered. So the first things are actually a scrunchie to just do my hair. I actually wear it for a sleep because I usually put my hair in a messy bun, and this is just a like velvet pink. Then two same one pink as well, and the last one is with a strawberries. And now to the clothes. So this is a shirt which I ordered to match with Vanessa. She actually has some little sweatshirts and even like long sleeve t-shirts, so I just wanted to order this. Says Mama. Then this is for Vanessa, for when she's a bit bigger, and I just love it. It's super super cute with a little heart on it. Then this one's t-shirt. My sister has the same one as well, and I just love it. It says choose happy and with those hearts on it. Love it. And then the last one, which is a sweater dresses, which I actually wear a lot. So these are stripes and a little buttons on it as well. So I'm gonna definitely show you how it looks on me, and can't wait to wear it. Obviously I need to wash it first, so yeah. So this t-shirt is looking really nice. It fits well. I actually took a size M. Usually I'm wearing S, and on Shein I actually know that if I order the size I'm wearing usually, For t-shirts, it's actually too like short in length, which I don't really like, so I ordered a size up. This one looks really nice as well. As I said, it says Mama, so I basically just want to match with Vanessa. And there's a little heart here as well. And this is size M again, so a size up than I wear usually. So